Meantime, 51 minutes after the hour, Texas is suing Meta, Facebook, for billions of dollars over Facebook's facial recognition program, accusing Facebook of illegally capturing Texans' private information for profit. Joining us now, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, who brought that lawsuit on Monday. AG Paxton, thanks for being here. What do you allege Facebook did, and how did they do it?
Yeah, so we allege that they violated state law. They violated our Deceptive Trade Practices Act because they misled people and actually told them they weren't capturing their information. And they also violated a 2009 statute passed by our legislature that said they could not capture or use biometric identifiers without their consent. They weren't allowed to transfer it to other parties, and they had to destroy it in a certain period of time. All of those are violations of state law and clearly done by Facebook.
When you say biometric identifiers, examples include retina or iris scans, fingerprints, voice print, record of hand or face geometry. The things that make a person unique. How much could this cost Facebook in the end?
The numbers are staggering. It literally could be hundreds of billions of dollars. And this is something that Texas consumers, this is a harm to them because it's not like a Social Security number you could actually change, or a driver's license number you could actually change. Once they have this information and they've spread it around, forever your face geometry or your fingerprints or whatever biometric identifier they have and put out, it's out there for good.
Have you heard of other states following suit?
Yeah, Illinois actually had the first lawsuit that I saw several years ago. They settled with Facebook for, I think it was $650 million. We're actually now headed towards trial probably in about a year, and I expect that they'll be in front of a Texas jury listening to this case in the next year.
I feel like this is a question I ask in almost every segment we do about big tech. This one obviously applying specifically to Facebook. Why did Facebook think that this would be a good idea in the first place?
I think they just saw the numbers, that they could make so much money using this information. I think they felt like they have such an advantage because they're such a large company. They have so much money. I think a lot of hubris or arrogance, thinking that, whatever happened, they had so much money and they were so powerful, they could do whatever they wanted to Texas consumers and other consumers around the country. Because obviously we have a statute dealing with this, but this is happening in every state.
Yeah, and speaking of every state, it does seem like individual states have statutes on the books to protect their citizens. It seems like a lot of this has fallen in the hands of AGs like yourself and governors across the country. And AGs and governors across the country like yourself are moving forward, trying to police these big tech entities. Why aren't the feds doing more?
That's a great question. I've heard that there's lots of money being thrown around by these big tech companies in Congress, because it certainly seems like they've been stifled from protecting consumers, unlike many states like Texas and Illinois and others who have stepped forward to make sure that their consumers or their privacy rights are protected.
In light of all of this, are you confident that something like Section 230 reform has any chance of seeing the light of day on Capitol Hill?
Every time I talk to a senator or a congressman, they tell me, oh, we're so glad you're doing something about it, because I don't know that we'll ever get anything done up here, given the situation, given the money that is pushed around by these tech companies.
We hear people talk tough on this all the time, but they're not doing anything in D.C. You're doing something there in Austin. AG Ken Paxton, we appreciate your time this morning. Thank you, sir.